In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email subscription form on Beehiiv. We'll start inside your Beehiiv dashboard and walk through creating, styling, and grabbing the code you'll use to embed the form on your site. First, log into your Beehiiv account. From the main dashboard, head to the subscribers area. This is where all subscriber tools live. Next, open Subscribe Forms and then select Create New Form. Beehiiv will take you into the form builder with a live preview so you can see changes as you make them. Begin with the header section. Add a clear benefit-driven title that quickly tells visitors what they'll get, like weekly insights or exclusive updates. Keep it short and strong. Beneath that, write a concise subtitle. Use this space to add context, how often you email, what kind of content they can expect, or a quick promise of value. Think of the header as your pitch. It should make subscribing feel obvious and worthwhile. Now move down to the form section. Add a label for the email input so it's unmistakable what belongs there. Simple works best. Email address is perfectly fine. Then customize the button text to be action-oriented. Swapping submit for something like subscribe or get updates can boost clicks because it sets a clear expectation. Also set the while submitting message. This is the tiny status line that appears during the send process, reassuring people that their request is being processed. Switch over to style to make the form match your brand and page layout. Choose your embed option based on where the form will live. Adjust the background so the form contrasts with the page and remains readable. Then fine-tune the header styling, font, size, and color to maintain hierarchy between the title and subtitle. Finally, style the form itself. Input borders, corner radius, spacing, and button colors. Aim for high contrast on the button and sufficient padding so it's easy to tap on mobile. Open settings to define what happens after someone subscribes. You can show a success message right on the form, which keeps things frictionless, or redirect to an external page. Useful for thank you pages, delivering a lead magnet, or tracking conversions. Choose the option that best fits your flow. When you're happy, click Get Embed Code. Beehiiv will generate a snippet you can place on your website. Click Copy and you're set. You'll paste the snippet wherever you want the form to appear in your site builder or CMS. That's it. Your Beehiiv email subscription form is ready to go, styled to your brand, and set up to capture new subscribers smoothly.